Alright, welcome back to the channel. We got a 2002 Yamaha TTR 125. It's far from stock. I got FMS race exhaust on it, taller tires, suspension. I don't ride it right now because we don't have tubes and tires for it. So let's see if I can't start it up. If I can pull it. It hasn't been started since December, so
wow.
Probably gonna be a pain to start. Knowing it's out of gear. It's gonna be a little difficult. Come on. It's wanting to go. Oh, you know why? I didn't turn the fuel on. That will do it. Start.
Yamaha's gotta love them.
Yeah.
Choke on?
Yeah.
You can't take it off a choke as it wants to kind of die, and then bring it back on. Interesting.
Must be really cold then.
Yeah. Now this is good for it. Nope. Did not
Wanted
like
to.
that. Yeah. I can feel it all the way back here. I feel it all the way back here.
Sound cammed a little bit, like it was cammed.